Hi, Deepak Sambhara, partner and medical director of research at the Eye Clinic of Wisconsin. Let's talk a little bit about OCT. Optical coherence tomography is a non-invasive way to image ocular structures, most commonly the retina and optic nerve, using interferometric reflectometry to achieve axial and spatial resolution to the micron level. In layman's terms, it uses a light source and samples what gets reflected back to the camera to generate those pretty images that we see to diagnose and manage retinal disease on a day-to-day basis. Think of it as an optical ultrasound. From the original time domain units to the modern spectral domain and swept source OCT imaging, this is by far the most commonly ordered test in all of ophthalmology. And it's made its way outside of the clinic and into the operating room as well. Over the last 10 years, OCT angiography, or OCTA, has gained traction as a non-invasive way of imaging retinal vascular anatomy. And now with the formal CPT code in 2025, I imagine it'll be used a lot more frequently. We use OCT, and to a lesser extent OCTA, to diagnose retinal disease and assess response to treatment, but there are several interesting applications for OCT and OCTA out there. Sharon Fekrit, Dilraj Grewal, and the retina department at Duke University has been using OCT and OCTA to investigate biomarkers for various forms of dementia. Some of these biomarkers include measuring macular ganglion cell layer to interplexiform layer thickness, peripapillary retinal nerve fiber layer thickness, choroidal vascularity index, vessel width gradient, among other metrics. There have been several key biomarkers that have been identified to distinguish patients with Alzheimer's dementia against a control population. So bottom line, your eye doctors might not be the only ones ordering OCT or OCTA imaging in the future.